खुश तो क्या होगा 2 वाइड के बाद ही.
Something to bat in there.
Put one straight man.
That's the thing, right? With Sidhu being up there, it's messes.
He remember that on the
To make it to make it to.
No.
He's like, who's in the watch?
Good.
28. Okay.
It was on this ground only.
Prasanna and somebody was batting. 1 over like 5, 2 hours 30. Like 15 wides in there. Plus
Bold. Kohli. Come on. किसने युवराज?
Kohli.
कोहली बोला मैन.
And Kentucky.
मैंने बोला कैप्टन कोहली.
Wide.
No.
Wide.
Wide.
Good call.
The guy's cricket mad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he
Doesn't matter, right?
Wide.
Good shot यार. अरे वाइड था क्यों मारा हमने?
वाइड नहीं था. हाफ बैक.
We got 30, right?
Yeah.
30.
3-0.
4 overs 30 किसके लिए
Yeah.
बजेगी समझेगा भी नहीं.
30.
4 overs की
Yeah. 4.
59 for 5. 9 overs.
3-0.
4 overs, 3-0, right?
Yeah, he can tell.
30 for
युवराज
0, 4 overs.
एक गेंद का
साला मैंने बैटिंग
पता नहीं उनका.
अजीब था.
Bowler name?
कोई नहीं खेला.
Naveen.
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 विराट
कोहली है.
विराट
In at 7 already.
जमशेद नाजिर कोई खेला क्या?
नहीं.
Vicky,
उनका उमर गुल और
Vicky,
उमर अकमल
scare man. Score. Not scare.
59 for
Score.
5.
What?
59 for 5. 9.5.
It's okay, man. That'll be done by 75 all out. So.
I hope
Umar Gul is still to bat. Come on.
उमर गुल और
You
उमर
never know what he did last time.
कमरान अकमल
कमरान ने सेंचुरी मारा ना आपने.
हां अभी गए.
वार्म अप. हां ये थोड़ा ठीक है. 1-2 बॉल पास आएंगे तो स्लो हो जाएगा.
I'll go after. इतना दूर से भाग के आ रहे थे.
Everybody is running so far in this team.
4 कदम
Everybody is running from here.
Oh ये सोए.
Good shot, man.
Excellent shot. Good running.
ये तनवीर है wrong leg.
That's good.
हो गया.
Yeah, that's it, man. Rotate.
रॉन्ग लेग से नहीं डाला.
Well, he's a wrong bowler. Come on.
लेफ्ट फुट डाला उसने आगे.
हां थोड़ा.
नहीं राइट. रियली?
Who else has 4 leg? इंस्टा डालता. 4 leg.
Shit. You can watch there also. Yeah, after my 4 run मारा. Battery बहुत बुरी है. Good call.
No. Only one.
Good pressure, guys. Good pressure.
Hey man, he didn't throw hard enough.
ठीक है आज
He threw it great.
Dude, he did like what he did in bowling. So.
अभी मुझे लगता है
32, right?
अरे वो ट्रांसफर
2 balls to run.
क्या टीम है तेरी आज?
टेक बैक चेयर. ठीक ठाक बना. अरे सब 100 नहीं बनानी बॉल.
He's gonna be mad, man. Because you missed the fun.
कोहली है क्या?
सीधे.
What?
आज कोहली को
Inside है?
Yeah, wide is. I think they're gonna call the same thing for us, so we gotta be strict.
Well, it happens for everybody. They had to come out.
Yeah, big kill.
Went over there, see?
Yeah, 37.
Credit goes to me because I got out there.
But they don't have
No.
not slip.
If you were there,
Third man or anything.
Yeah.
You would have been hitting this.
Yeah.
ऐसा बोलना. ये इनकी
So
बात.
they have one guy, but he's too close.
No, he's
wide
much
there.
wider.
He's saying singles there. He's not even saying single.
No, I think this was the.
कोहली हाँ के लिए
Sabir last.
नीतीश के 2 ओवर.
No, no.
Last time they were almost close. You were there against us. But ball went on. Straight was there. They didn't even watch. He took the ball.
You were there.
They were about to win against us.
Last tournament, right? This tournament.
No, last tournament.
Yeah, I know that. Don't listen to.
But this was a completely different team.
Nice. different team.
Score?
Beavers only name three, only three players from
38, right? Okay.
Prakash, Raghu, कोई नहीं है, तीन ही लोग हैं।
45 score.
अभी कौन है बीवर्स का किसी ने
तीन लोग हैं, काटे, अमोल और एक कोई और।
Hopefully we stay and score.
काटे ने खरीदी है गुड शॉट है अरे रन है यार
Because he's in the back foot, right? So he doesn't want it.
रन आ रहा है ना वो लोग कंफर्टेबल नहीं है तो
Yeah.
रहने देने
Leave them.
to pause the game right now
No, he's bowling.
सहवाग is bowling?
वो इसका सुना है क्या
Catch it?
Sehwag would be like,
गलत
हाँ, हर बार बोलता है।
गलत
Having said Dhoni that Sehwag is not a bowler, then he won't should not give
I
him
should
bowling.
sell flags इंडिया का मैच है I should be selling flags wide it wide
Nice.
बहुत
How many wides are there? 10?
good going, guys. Good going.
this over 3 last over 6 ये ना
Almost got it.
We have to be pretty tight, guys.
Yeah.
The wide line seems to be a little bit in.
Yeah. Huh? Yes. It was 4 overs 30 and
Who made this line? I mean,
No.
It was yesterday.
wide it wide
guys, it takes only one ball to make a mistake.
And then you can react.
रीड पे रन आउट है
Wide से बहुत ये होता है।
We remember that.
wait and again go back everybody that to one
and this was
किधर किधर से आते लोग बिना चार्जर के
बिना charger के।
चार्जर
See the thing. Switch the phone, man. Switch the battery. Switch the battery.
फोन है कि किसी का बैटरी लो दूसरे फोन की
Yeah. You cannot do it for iPhone, obviously.
दो चार्जर इन द
You can do for iPhone.
गाड़ी में बैठा रहे जाके।
टेक another phone charges without turning the
You
car
can do it for Nikhil's iPhone.
yeah go
Nikhil has that extra backpack.
But that only works on iPhone.
Yeah.
no
Somebody started on an iPhone.
Hey, you can charge it, man.
I can watch it.
Is it a micro USB?
No. What's the score? 41?
कौन सा ये
40. 4-0.
माइक्रो यूएसबी है 40
आजा, ये ले।
स्कोर स्कोर
Okay, come back soon.
water.
Yeah, I'll take it. Okay.
hey, come on it's not that but it's still comes properly
Hey, Ramesh.
this is 3 yeah it will take whenever match is over it will come on no it's not coming Superman 3 yeah
नरेश का तेरे फोन पे नहीं है?
यार मेरे पास टू मच स्कोर हो रहा है इनका 71 वगैरह
काय का
120 से
वो एक ही आ रहा है क्या?
ESPN पे तेरा
जो जिसका यूज कर रहा था वो लॉगिन नहीं कर सकता। तेरा बैटरी भी
5 आउट हेलो बोल रहे टाटा आल्सो 5 ही था
करना।
वन विकेट एक ही गया गुड गोइंग गाइस इस सीट का जाके अनलॉक करके आओ फोन को
दूसरा बॉल दिला क्या तूने?
अभी गया था तो उससे पूछना चाहिए था ना हां
What is it, mate?
What's your name? Ramesh.
Ramesh, what is bowler name?
Same guy, right? Ammo?
no the new guy
Huh?
Jehal. Dilip. Dilip.
They were asking score everybody. Some people were saying he's telling the team that's not right score.
ये नहीं है स्पिनर नहीं है ये अलग है
How many overs?
ये नहीं है
5 overs up, right? Manju?
Yep.
540.
good going guys good going keep up the good work
Yeah.
चलिए उनको बोलना keep up
Take other lesser, take 4G.
Who has 4G? Okay, right? Hey, screen wala.
Wide.
5 overs, 40 for 1.
41.
41 for 1.
Yeah. Don't tell him the score. Oh, yeah.
No, here.
No, here.
Good shot. Easy to.
He'll Sidhu will go easily.
No,
Good throw.
Nice throw.
Good
Good throw.
हाँ यार, there was this guy, नहीं हर्षा नहीं, वो कौन था? उसका नाम एक बिमल. हाँ, दो direct run out throw.
Really?
The one, he hit it here. He was like near that black spot. Hit it just like that. Hit the wicket. Then right now where he picked it up from, just a little bit closer than that.
Good one.
Just closer than that. They were running, and he threw it like hit the stumps.
Man.
It was
Kansas
out.
Kings?
Yeah, Kansas Kings.
They get good throws.
No,
eh?
Kansas Kings against Kansas Kings.
Okay.
He got Harsha and Chaitanya, or one more, not Harsha.
Oh, that's Rishan Chaitanya was run out. Okay.
So Kansas Kings are there in semis.
Yeah.
Kansas Kings versus Rockers.
This is who's
Rockers.
Comparing to.
oh they're gonna play.
Next weekend.
And then the finals is like after. We're going to lose lights soon.
Not a catch anyway.
Ask Sidhu to watch it.
Good throw.
Hey, watch it and you have to run catch it out there.
Sidhu, watch it.
Unless कभी
Shot.
when it's not that, you can.
That's you can don't worry.
Dial-up लग रहा है वो.
Somebody has to make up the runs what Abhijit missed. So.
You are there, right?
Huh?
You are there.
Come on, Nikhil.
Wickets और दो नहीं.
Rohit has to play this today.
Match. One more.
निखिल को ले सकते थे स्पीड. ज़हीर करना है.
Spinner है क्या?
शॉट देगा. शॉट और बॉडी.
Anju. 50 after this over. Okay. 1-6 now with 50 up. Okay. Is he checking man? Looks like it's action.
Kind of.
His action stops. No, but it's the action, right? Some people don't just leave the hand like this and put it in. See.
போட்டு அப்படி போனா நல்லா வர மாட்டேங்குது. நல்லா போனா.
Score?
45.
45.
6:45. Good score.
This is over only 5 runs, man.
15 में 130. इधर थोड़ा कम 140.
Oh man, this guy's come, man.
लास्ट टाइम हम कितने स्कोर किया था फर्स्ट मैच? तूने स्कोर किया था 96 वो दिन कितने स्कोर किया था? फिर भी कम हुआ था.
अरे नहीं, उस दिन नहीं वो अलग है अभी. ये चेंज हो गया कुछ तो. नहीं उस दिन जैसे बॉलिंग नहीं आ रही है. उसमें बॉलिंग नहीं है. नहीं है कुछ नहीं.
एलबी दे दे.
Out.
Dude.
अभी किसका चिल्ला दिया समझ
Yeah.
यार समझ मैं भी एक नंबर में वहां तो कुछ तो हो नहीं रहा.
नहीं highlights दिखा रहे पहले.
हां वही तो.
वही
तो. बोल्ड. गुड बॉल.
कैच लिया यार धोनी ने दो.
इसको आउट ही नहीं था.
थोड़ा आउट नहीं था.
लेफ्ट हैंडर.
पेस बॉलिंग क्यों दिया?
युवराज
नहीं युवराज नहीं बॉलिंग कर रहा है वो. पठान.
पता ना साइड का.
युवराज लग रहा है. देना पड़ेगा ना बॉलर है तो.
नहीं अभी अच्छा चल रहा था थोड़ा युवराज का और कोहली का ओवर्स कम किया था.
Is Ashwin playing?
Yes. Harbhajan is doing it regardless nowadays.
Harbhajan, vice captain.
He doesn't bat, right? He's a
मेरे को लगा
blind hitter. Ashwin plays.
अजमल भी वही करता.
I mean, that's the logic.
आउट 6. उमर अकमल लेने को चाहिए.
या
Wide
Hey, that's what we need.
Let's go.
இவ்வளோ தூரம் ஒன்றா போட முடியாது. பண்ண முடியாது. ஷோயப் அக்தர் வரனா அவன் ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கான் ஒன்னா அவன் போட முடியும்
Yeah, those sometimes he generate pace out of.
उमर अकमल को अभी आउट कर उमर अकमल डेंजरस पूरा
ரோஜர் பிடி வந்து இப்போ வெஸ்ட் இண்டீஸ் அப்போ டூர் போனப்போ பவுலிங் போட்டே இருந்தான் அவன் கூப்பிட்டு தான் சொன்னானா
पायपुड़े के था
இந்த கேஸ் போகிறது ஒரு ஓடி இருக்கு நின்னே போடுறாங்க மனிதர் ஒரு ஸ்பேஸ் போகிறாங்க
This is not coming so we
இதுக்கு ஓடி வருது
because if it's in your brain you can hit through the
பட் ஆனால் வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்லிங் வரும்
नो वरीज अंबर मस्त चाललंय स्पीड बोलत रहा रे त्याशी
ஏன் சொன்னா பவுலிங் ஆட முடியாமல் ஃப்ரஸ்ட்ரேஷன் சொல்கிறேன் அடிக்க முடியல அடிச்ச பால் போக மாட்டேங்குது ஃபேஸ் வரல
He doesn't think it's. No.
Guy says his fan panned. The Lugamper says it's on the fan.
Guys, let's watch this game.
concentrate on the scoring
Yeah, let's do that. This over. We've been reduced only 1 run.
good one do it 2 2 3
कोई नहीं है, कोई नहीं है।
Oh my gosh.
सिद्धू इजी 3 है 3 एक और good running
Good, excellent running, excellent running.
Almost a boundary.
good running guys
50 up. One more. Yeah, last 2 overs, man.
50
No, 49. He scored 4 runs only.
only 4 balls right?
Abhijit, say something to the camera.
You want commentary 50
Yeah.
I'll do commentary
Yeah, just stand.
wide I'll say ball up
So you're going to be saying more of that today.
Rishikade up to his mark tying his shoelaces maybe that is some sort of a signal to the keeper maybe it's going to be a wide ball
Okay. I second that.
here he comes that's a short his delivery played into the offside
50 runs, guys. Clap up.
50 up!
What up?
50 up!
What up? Every single is going to be what up? 1 run ka izafa. Number 19 of 19. Now it's Manoj Pravakar style run up by Khate. He does a break dance in between. Here he comes. Magnificent shot, cut down the ground, straight to third man. And there's a fumble.
No.
Fumble.
Record by the same team.
It's only a single, no damage done. End of the over, it's 51 for 1.
51.
6 runs of the over.
Strategic timeout.
5-1. 5-1. 51.
5-1. Yes.
Yes.
And here comes the cheerleaders. वो श्रीलंका cheerleader यार क्या यार क्या बकवास cheerleader है वो किसी ने तो कमेंट किया था that's why रावण kidnapped सीता cheerleader से वो cheerleader
Only 2 hours are whipping on from
Yeah.
Man.
He didn't go long then.
Yeah, I should probably run.
it's getting cold in there
What's the other score?
what's the name of this bowler
Who's the bowler?
Bowler name? Jahal. Hey, bowler is Jahal, right?
new bowler Jehal
Yeah.
is
Jehal.
deceptive number to face looked like
Good shot, man. Good shot.
placed nicely into the onside for a single. Here are the projected scores for your benefit. What are the projected scores?
60.
The graphic is not working, sorry.
technical difficulties.
Tweet. Don't change the channel. Sorry for the interruption. Oh, that's a four, magnificently placed
That's
into
an
the
excellent
onside.
shot and misfield.
That's the single.
Man, too many commentators. Let us do the work.
Just
This ground is very difficult to get boundaries on this ground because
said
of
that?
the
Who said that?
short size.
Who said that?
Too many field. It seems like there are 12 fielders on the ground,
16
and that looked like a chucking. This guy his action should be checked out by the ICC. I think he's using the 15-degree rule very loosely.
Kansas cricket.
This guy, opening bowler.
Just eyeballing, I think it was 17 degrees on that delivery.
So not too many runs came out.
Yeah. The last 2 overs only 5 and 5.
Yeah.
5 and 6.
5, 6, 1 wide.
Yeah.
And our local statistician and predictor.
Rohit.
And that was a wild slog, agricultural slog across the
Makes you
line,
look
and he
good,
paid
man.
the price for it.
Stay Rohit.
He wouldn't be happy after looking at that replay.
Yeah.
He should be cussing all the way back to the dressing room.
He doesn't do that stuff.
He's cussing internally.
Yeah. It was Abhijit.
It's internal. It's a good role model for the kids. That's the way you should do it, kids.
Yeah.
If you get out, don't cuss.
Yeah.
Just come walk straight out.
Yeah. Don't do it like
If
that.
any kids watching out there, that's the way to do it. That is class.
Hardly.
Why you played a crash? Huh?
I thought he might go for runs. Oh, we are doing good, man. Good
Koi nahi,
batting.
koi
Good
nahi.
batting. Come on.
You should have stayed.
Order?
तूने गेला?
Yeah. I'm like the main bowler.
And according to the batting tree, Rohit has replaced